guys, this week for our life skill activity, we are gonna do some laundry. For laundry, it's a really big task. There's a lot of steps. We've already covered some of those with folding and sorting, but we'll specifically look at loading things into the washer, into the dryer, all of those components. So using the laundry machines will be our main goal today. And to do that, we're gonna break it down by doing something called task analysis, which may or may not be a term you've heard before. We use it a lot in therapy. It's a way to describe the process that we take when we look at a daily living activity like laundry, and we break it down by thinking about what are the steps, what kind of motor skills or cognitive skills, social skills might be needed to complete the activity, and how the environment supports our activity. So it could be, are there visual supports that are needed, any adaptive equipment, things like that. So bringing that all together with the task analysis here, we will take a closer look at laundry, and by doing that, we can figure out some of the ways that our students can help out with it. They don't have to do the entire task. As we'll see with laundry, there are a lot of steps. By showing you those steps, it's not a way to say like, okay, we can do this, this, and this. It's more so to educate about the complexity that goes into doing something like this. There's a lot to learn and it takes quite a bit of practice. So keeping that in mind, knowing how big this whole task is, but finding the little pockets of opportunities for our students to help out with it, so that they can participate and get that good feeling of helping out with a daily life activity like this. So we'll go ahead and get started with looking at the steps that go into laundry. Here's a video model to use to explain what we need to do the laundry. All right, let's look at the performance skills that go into doing the laundry. See if you can find something that your student already knows how to do and or something you'd like to teach them. The last step of our task analysis will be to look at the environment. This laundry space is set up to promote independence with things like a bench to help with reaching. We have some symbols on the machine so that we know how to operate it. Then we have some laundry baskets with pictures and labels to help out with sorting. Small adaptations can go a long way. Ta-da! That was our task analysis of using the washer and the dryer. After watching that and going through the steps, the performance skills, and how the environment can help or hinder the activity, I hope there were a couple of pieces of information that were light bulb moments or helpful nuggets that you could use and apply to working with your student so that they can help out with doing the laundry. Again, it can be smaller things. We definitely don't want to put too many things on. We can start with small things and build it up to a lot of success. So they can do a couple of those steps, or they can really focus on one of those skills like carrying things, transferring the laundry, identifying symbols and pushing the buttons. We can also think about how we could adapt the laundry room so that they can be a little bit more successful with reaching for things or pushing those buttons. So all of those things, just putting those goggles on, so to speak, can really help out with finding supports to help out with a lot of these daily living skills. If you have any questions about this video in particular, or any other ideas for life skills, please let me know. Thanks, guys.